Hi, I'm Günter Umbach. A frequently asked question is, how do you give magnetic and effective presentations? How do you become a great speaker and an excellent presenter? What are the do's and don'ts? Well, let me share the recommendations that I developed for high content speakers in the medical, scientific and technical field. These are usually physicians and experts presenting at medical scientific conferences and congresses. If you would like to know more about the art and science of giving clear, compelling and convincing speeches, you may want to look at my presentation titled Speaker Training for Medical Scientific Experts that I gave at a recent international conference of a major medical technology company. You can download it for free at www.umbachpartner.com. How to give effective presentations. Wishing you all the best.